Your home's indoor air quality is important. COIT's specially trained technicians have the knowledge and experience to remove harmful contaminants from your home. To keep your home as healthy as possible, air duct cleaning should be conducted every 3 years, or if you have pets or allergies, more frequently. Our exclusive vacuum and compressor system pulls air pollutants into a contained filtration system. You can trust COIT. We have 60 years of experience in maintaining a clean, healthy, and comfortable living environment for our satisfied customers.